But thank you for joining us. So Luc is joining us from Eindhoven, and this is, I think, one of the more interesting presentations of the day about smart production of smart textile sock that measures stress behavior. So when you're ready, please share your slides.
Correct. I'm going to present about our very nice sock, as you can see over here.
Nice.
Sorry. So,
right.
Smart socks that measure stress. So my name is Luc Van Neer. I'm the CEO of Metafas, and I'm going to present you a nice application which we have co-developed together with one of our customers, company Mentech, and we developed together with them a washable and durable smart textile. We did the development, and mainly our part of it was or still is actually the production of the smart sock. Like I said, two companies are involved. I quickly introduce both companies. The first one is our customer, that's the company Mentech, and they are a developer for products for the medical and the healthcare domain. They are with about 30 people, and their expertise is in developing the hardware, software, and artificial intelligence for these kind of applications. And a few years ago, they came back to us and asked our support in an idea which they had, and that was about measuring stress of mentally disabled people. Metafas is a company we do already exist for more than 30 years. We are a truly manufacturing company. Our background is in the membrane switches, front foils, and other what we call user interfaces, and since about 10 years plus, we are in the world of printed electronics. So we have already quite some experience in printed electronics, have developed lots of various products and manufacture them as well, of course. Manufacturing is, I would say, our true core competence, and especially then screen printing. We have, I think we have a very nice combination of a high-tech company and where craftsmanship also comes together. We are with 40 people in the area of Aston, ISO 9001 certified, and we've won also already a few smart manufacturing awards. Our vision is that we have to complete process production chain in our house, and I will get to that in a second. So these are the two companies, and why would you actually want to measure stress? And my presentation is about the application and also how we made how we did that with printed electronics. And the objective actually of measuring stress is that we want to have in a very early stage, we want to measure stress of people with a severe intellectual disability or people with a late stage of dementia. It's important to get it in an early stage so that there can be countermeasurements can be done in order to avoid escalation of the stress situation. Now, there are actually three typical indications for an autonomic activity, which are basically heart rate, blood pressure, and skin conductance. And skin conductance, or actually, in other words, the electrodermal activity, that's actually the property of the human body that allows for the continuous variation in the electrical properties of the skin. And that's the one we are going to measure. The whole system, and I don't go too much in that, but just to show you that it is a whole platform or system which our customer has brought to the market. It starts actually with measuring the stress in the sock, as you see on the left side, but it also includes an app and a web-based model to monitor the different stress levels and the data, and work also with artificial intelligence, so that on the end, in practice, it works as such that if somebody has some stress, that a nurse, for example, can see in a very early stage that the stress level of a patient is getting higher, and that then, like I said, the countermeasurements can be taken. It was a co-development project which we did together with Mentech, and we got involved in a very early stage. The first question or the first idea of our customer was to start with a disposable patch. Nou ja, we in the end our conclusion was